Welcome back everyone, and in this video we will continue on building our first iOS application. So we have just created our connection in the last video and we will continue from that. So let's open our view controller.swift file. We don't need this function right now, so let's remove this, and I also don't want this comment, so let's remove this. Let's hide this sidebar. So basically you can see that on the top we have two different connections. The first one is for button, which is a UI button, and the second one is a UI label. So this is the function which is called view did load. It will automatically run when our view is loaded on the screen. So now what we have to do is, our first step is that we have to change the label of our whenever we press the button. So basically we have to create an IB action for our button also. So there are two different things in iOS. The first one is IB outlet, which we have already created, which is just a simple connection of a label, button, or an image. And the second one is IB action, which is basically include all the functionalities that we can do after clicking the button. So let's again go to our main.storyboard and hit this two circles button. Now we have to follow the same procedure. Hold control and drag this into our code. And we don't want to create the outlet because we have already created. We want an action, so just click on action, and here we can name the action. So let's say button pressed, and it is a UI button, and you can just hit connect. So here you can see that it has created an IB action for us. So just close this and open our viewcontroller.swift file. So this is a simple function in Swift. We will learn how we create functions later in this course, but just say that this is a way how we create function in Swift 3. So this function will automatically run whenever we click the button which is created in our UI. So basically what we want to do is change the text on our label. So inside this function we can access our label by typing my label dot, there's a property called text, and we can assign this equal to our name. So I am assigning this to my name. So what it will do is, it will automatically change the text of the label to my name whenever we press that button. So let's go back to our storyboard and do some changes to our UI. Let's show this toolbar, and I want to align this to center. So here you can see that there is an alignment option. So I will do this to center. Okay, this is done. So let's see that our app is working or not. We can just hit the play button which is on the top left corner, and let's wait till our application is building. So you can see that the build is succeeded, and now it will run our iOS application on iPhone 6s simulator, which is provided by Xcode 8 or any version that you are using. So this is a sample iOS simulator. It is starting. So let's wait for a minute. It is taking time because this is the first time we are launching our app. So here you can see that this is our first app, in which this is a button and this is the label. So you can see that it is displaying a message, please click the above button. So let's click the button, and here you can see that it has automatically changed the text to my name. So this was our basically a simple iOS app, so that you can understand how we can create our iOS app. So you can hit this button to stop our running our iOS app. You can see that the app has been stopped. So basically this video about creating your first app was to tell you that the UI work can be done easily on the storyboard, and you can connect this UI things and you can easily code them. So from the next part we will start by learning the Swift 3 language. We will start it from basics. So if you have no programming language, there is no difficulty for you, and we will slowly go on and create some small apps, and then we will create 5 6 apps which you can launch into your app store. Thanks for watching this video.